Hello again, welcome to lesson 2. In the previous lesson, we learned what to do before you start writing. We learned ask yourself what Google want, your target audience, and then the user's intent. This user that you are writing for, what is the intention? So that you can be able to fulfill that and make sure that your content is relevant and valuable. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to start doing your research for a blog or writing. I'm going to let you in on my personal step-by-step process. It involves 4 major things that I do. And without wasting much time, let's go straight to the point. Step 1, Google the question, okay? Or do just search the question as it is. Okay, something important to note, we have different search engines. And the most famous or the most common one, the most most popular search engine is Google. You just go and Google the question as it is. For example, let's say you are looking for the best places to visit in Kenya. Okay, so you just go and Google that topic. You are given that assignment. Go and write an article on the best places to visit in Kenya. You go and Google that question as it is. Okay, after you have done that, you can use different search engines. There are different search engines. There is Bing, and we are going to review that. The Bing, the way it's going to display different results. Funny enough, these different search engines, they sometimes display different results and rank content different. You can really benefit by doing research on different search engines. We have Yahoo, we have Bing, we have Baidu, but Baidu is mostly for Chinese. We have DuckduckGo. Okay, those different search engines, they will display different information, giving you a lot of information to gather on that topic. The other thing that you can do when googling the topic, you can expand the people also ask for section that is present on Google and Bing. The other search engines have not found that section that displays people also asked for. That question is expanding on the topic. Okay, the other thing that you can do is have various different variations of the same query. If maybe you are asking for the best places to visit in Kenya, maybe you can add something else in December, or add another keyword maybe in summer or some other time. You are using different variations of the same question so that you can get a lot of information on the same topic. Step 2, go to Google Scholar. Why go to Google Scholar? This place has a lot of scholarly content, some research, some studies, some reports, some content from highly authoritative websites. Some of them they are from organization, like government organization. You get some really reliable information or some statistics or some data or some research or study on this topic. And you can also do that with any topic that you have, including the best places to visit in Kenya. When you go on a search engine and just search Google Scholar, you are going to open that. It's like a search engine inside Google. Okay? It helps you discover scholarly material or scholarly content to expand your research on the topic that you have. Okay? So that one is going to expand your research. You are going to get more content, more highly authoritative content on a subject. Step 3, you are going to do a deeper research, and now we are going to change the type of content that we are researching now and go on YouTube. YouTube is a very interesting, a very good platform where plenty of videos like this one are being uploaded on different topics. So after you are done doing research on the search engine, go on Google and search that same topic, that same query. You go and search the best places to visit in Kenya. You're also going to get different variations of the same information, different practicals. The videos on YouTube give you a demo, or maybe the different places that you can visit in Kenya. There are plenty of videos uploaded on the same topic, so you're going to have plenty of information, and then you can watch more content in a quick span. Okay, you can be able to watch more videos because reading takes more time than watching a video. So when you are watching different videos, you can be able to watch, maybe in an hour you can be able to watch 10 videos on the same topic. So that is increasing your knowledge on the given topic. The importance of YouTube is that it helps you get a gist of your topic quicker. It gives you an idea of this topic quicker, because visual content, as you know, is more appealing than text content. That is a fact. When you are watching a video on that same topic that you are searching for, you are going to get a better gist on that topic when you have watched the videos. YouTube is like you are getting to watch your favorite teacher go in the lab and perform some of the cool experiments that you have learned in class. So you can be able to watch those areas that you are being told live, because we have also live recordings on given topics. YouTube is a very good resource when you are doing your research. YouTube 4. Dip yourself into the niche, or maybe into the scenario, or put yourself in the shoes of that reader, that target audience that you are writing for. Let's say that let us go back to the example. 5 best places to visit in Kenya. You ask yourself, which are the best places that I would visit in Kenya? If I was somebody who is advertising Kenya, what are the 5 best places that I would rank high, that I would enjoy myself? You put yourself in the shoes of the reader, of the target audience, and then you can be able to produce something quality. And when you're putting yourself in the shoes of the reader, okay, refer to original examples. Okay, refer to places that you have visited yourself. Let's say you have gone to Kenya. With that, let's do a quick recap. Step 1. You're supposed to Google the topic. Google the topic. You can use different search engines. Step 2, you are going to go to Google Scholar for a deeper research. And step 3, you are going to do a more deeper research on YouTube for different type of content and give you a better gist on the topic. And step 4, put yourself in the shoes, or immerse yourself in the niche or in the topic. Until next time, that's all for today. See you.